Now, Channel 4 News has seen the fresh claims surrounding the death of Princess Diana that are currently being assessed by Scotland Yard. Information passed to the police is thought to include an allegation that the British military may have been involved in the deaths of Diana and Dodi Al Fayed after their car crashed in Paris 16 years ago. The Metropolitan Police is looking into the information but says it is not reinvestigating the deaths, as Jane Deeth reports.
The idea the SAS was involved in the Princess of Wales' death appears to have come from within the SAS, but was it the delusion of a troubled soldier? Princess Diana and Dodi Al Fayed had left the Ritz Hotel in Paris and were being chased by paparazzi when their car crashed. In 2008, an inquest jury found they'd been unlawfully killed, partly down to their driver, Henri Paul, who was drunk and speeding. Police investigations on both sides of the Channel completely dismissed persistent conspiracy theories that the couple were murdered by the state, a theory supported at the time by Mr Al Fayed's father, Mohammed Al Fayed. Scotland Yard says this is not a new investigation, that Princess Diana and Dodi Al Fayed's deaths were thoroughly investigated at the inquest.
It is, though, looking at whether the information is relevant and credible. The police won't say where it came from, but Channel 4 News has seen a letter which it's thought may be the source.
It was written by the former mother-in-law of a then SAS soldier to his commanding officer. Last month, that soldier, known as Sgt N, gave evidence at the court-martial of Danny Nightingale for illegally possessing a gun and ammunition. Sgt N had already admitted the same offence. The letter, written 2 years ago, was released during the court-martial with names and details blanked out. But Sgt N's former mother-in-law expresses concerns about him based on things he's reported to have said to his ex-wife.
He told her it was that who arranged Princess Diana's death, and that has been covered up. So what chance do my daughter and I stand against his threats?
The letter says he'd told his ex-wife he could make her disappear, warning some members of the SAS had
a box with the name, address and details of what they want done for private jobs.
The letter also alleges the soldier had boasted about killing women and children and brought guns and bullets into the home. It begs special forces to step in, saying the soldier is
not presenting with normal behaviour. This man's reign of terror has got to stop.
We can't verify what the letter alleges about the now ex-soldier's behaviour, but if true, it raises questions about how the SAS monitors its personnel's mental health. This year, the SAS has been under an unwelcome spotlight with the trial of Sgt Danny Nightingale and criticism of its training after a tragedy in the Brecon Beacons in which 3 men died. The MOD's refusing to say anything about Sgt N's reported comments about Princess Diana. It's 16 years since she died. The royal family is starting a new chapter, but still new claims come.